Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Numismatic World. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of rare and high-value coins. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just curious about the treasures hiding in your piggy bank, this video is for you. We'll explore some of the most sought-after coins, their histories, and what makes them so valuable. So grab your magnifying glass, and let's get started on this exciting journey through time and currency. The Lincoln cent from 1973, bearing the D Mint mark to signify its origin at the Denver Mint, holds a special place in numismatic history that spans multiple dimensions of art, economics, and historical commemoration. This coin is part of the Lincoln Memorial Cent series, which replaced the original wheat ears reverse in 1959. The transition to the memorial design marked a shift in how the United States commemorated its history on circulating coinage. The 1973 D Lincoln cent stands as a representative of a crucial era in American history, numismatics, and economic transition. To understand this coin fully, we must delve into its history, design, composition, and broader context. The Lincoln cent was first introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. It was the first U.S. coin to feature a president's likeness, breaking with the tradition of allegorical figures that had long graced American coinage. Sculptor Victor David Brenner was chosen to design the coin's obverse, and his portrayal of Lincoln remains iconic to this day. Brenner's work was based on a photograph of Lincoln taken by Matthew Brady in 1864, capturing the president's thoughtful and resolute demeanor. The obverse design has remained unchanged since its debut, a testament to its enduring appeal and symbolic importance. The reverse design of the Lincoln cent underwent a significant change in 1959, the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The wheat ears that had adorned the reverse since 1909 were replaced with an image of the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo. This design change was intended to further honor Lincoln's legacy by featuring a structure dedicated to his memory. Gasparo's design is intricate and detailed, capturing the grandeur of the memorial, including its 36 columns representing the states in the Union at the time of Lincoln's presidency. A careful observer can even see the tiny statue of Lincoln seated inside the memorial, an impressive detail for a coin of such small size. The 1973 D Lincoln cent continued this tradition, with the obverse and reverse designs unchanged from previous years. The obverse prominently features Lincoln's profile, with the inscriptions, "In God We Trust," above, "Liberty," to the left, and the year, 1973, to the right. The D Mint mark, located beneath the date, indicates that the coin was struck at the Denver Mint. On the reverse, the Lincoln Memorial is depicted in its full glory, surrounded by the inscriptions, "United States of America," above and "E Pluribus Unum," below. The denomination, 1 cent, is prominently displayed at the bottom. The composition of the 1973 D Lincoln cent reflects a period of economic stability, albeit one on the cusp of significant change. From 1962 to 1982, Lincoln cents were struck with an alloy of 95% copper and 5% zinc. This composition gave the coins a rich reddish hue and a weight of approximately 3.11 grams. The coin's diameter is 19.05 millimeters, with a plain edge. The use of copper as the primary metal in the coin's composition had been a tradition for U.S. cents since their inception, but by the early 1970s, rising copper prices began to pose challenges for the U.S. Mint. Discussions about changing the cent's composition were already underway, though the transition to a predominantly zinc core would not occur until 1982. The Denver Mint, where the 1973 D Lincoln cent was produced, has a long and storied history. Established in 1906 to meet the growing demands for coinage in the western United States, the Denver Mint quickly became one of the most prolific mints in the country. In 1973, the Denver Mint struck over 3.5 billion Lincoln cents, reflecting the coin's essential role in everyday commerce. These high production numbers ensured that the 1973 D Lincoln cent was widely available and accessible to the public. Despite its high mintage, the 1973 D Lincoln cent is not without its numismatic interest. Collectors often seek out high-grade examples of the coin, particularly those with full details and minimal wear. Coins struck for circulation can sometimes exhibit minor variations or errors, such as double dies, die cracks, or off-center strikes. These anomalies, while relatively rare, are highly prized by collectors for their uniqueness and potential value. Additionally, coins included in mint sets often display superior quality, making them desirable to those building high-grade collections. The 1973 D. Lincoln cent also serves as a reflection of the broader historical and economic context of its time. The early 1970s were marked by significant changes in the United States, including the end of the Bretton Woods system and the transition to a fiat currency system. Inflation was beginning to take hold, and the cost of living was on the rise. In this environment, the penny remained an essential denomination, used daily by millions of Americans for small transactions. Its continued production in vast quantities underscores its importance in the nation's monetary system. The Lincoln cent's enduring design and widespread availability have made it a favorite among collectors and historians alike. The 1973 D. Lincoln cent is no exception, representing a moment in time when the United States was navigating economic challenges while maintaining traditions that had defined its coinage for decades. For numismatists, the coin is a tangible link to the past, offering insights into the artistry, craftsmanship, and economic considerations that shaped its creation. In examining the 1973 D. Lincoln cent, it is also worth considering its role in popular culture and everyday life. The penny has long been a symbol of frugality and thrift, encapsulated in phrases like, "A penny saved is a penny earned." It has also been a staple of coin collections, with countless Americans beginning their numismatic journeys by assembling sets of Lincoln cents. The 1973 D. cent, with its familiar design and accessible nature, continues to inspire new generations of collectors to explore the rich history of U.S. coinage. The legacy of the Lincoln cent, including the 1973 D issue, is one of resilience and adaptability. From its introduction in 1909 to its continued production today, the coin has weathered changes in design, composition, and economic conditions. The 1973 D. Lincoln cent stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of this small but significant piece of American history, embodying the values and traditions that have shaped the nation for more than a century. For those who take the time to study and appreciate it, the 1973 D. Lincoln cent offers a window into the past and a deeper understanding of the artistry and ingenuity that define U.S. coinage. Beyond its numismatic appeal, the 1973 D. Lincoln cent is a microcosm of American history during the early 1970s. This was a time of significant cultural, economic, and political shifts. The Vietnam War was winding down, and the United States was grappling with the Watergate scandal, which would ultimately lead to President Richard Nixon's resignation. The economy was experiencing the early stages of stagflation, a combination of stagnant economic growth and rising inflation. These broader societal factors influenced the production and use of coinage, as the government sought to maintain public confidence in the monetary system. The cost of minting coins, particularly those made primarily of copper, was becoming a concern for the U.S. Mint. By 1973, the price of copper had risen significantly, prompting discussions about the future composition of the penny. While the traditional copper alloy was retained for nearly a decade longer, the debates of the 1970s laid the groundwork for the composition change that would occur in 1982. This shift to a predominantly zinc core with a thin copper coating was a response to economic pressures and technological advancements in coin production. The 1973 D. Lincoln cent also represents the technological capabilities of the Denver Mint during this era. The minting process in the 1970s involved the use of high-speed presses and carefully crafted dies to produce billions of coins annually. Quality control measures were in place to ensure the consistency and durability of the coins, though minor variations and errors occasionally occurred. These errors, such as double dies or die cracks, are now highly sought after by collectors, who value them for their uniqueness and potential historical significance. Collecting Lincoln cents, including the 1973 D issue, is a popular pursuit among numismatists of all levels. Beginners often start by assembling a complete set of Lincoln Memorial cents, which offers an accessible and affordable introduction to the hobby. Advanced collectors may focus on high-grade examples, error coins, or coins with exceptional toning. The 1973 D cent, with its widespread availability and potential for interesting varieties, is a staple of many collections. The cultural significance of the penny extends beyond its numismatic value. As the smallest denomination of U.S. currency, the penny has been a part of everyday life for generations. It has been used in countless transactions, saved in piggy banks, and tossed into fountains for good luck. The Lincoln cent, in particular, holds a special place in the hearts of Americans, symbolizing not only Abraham Lincoln's legacy but also the enduring values of thrift and perseverance. The future of the penny, however, has been a topic of debate in recent years. As the cost of production continues to exceed its face value, some have called for the elimination of the penny from circulation. While this debate continues, the 1973 D Lincoln cent remains a reminder of the coin's historical significance and its role in American society. For collectors and historians, the penny is more than just a small piece of metal, it is a tangible connection to the past and a reflection of the nation's evolving identity. Examining the 1973 D Lincoln cent in greater detail reveals layers of history, artistry, and economic insight that make it a fascinating subject of study. Its design, composition, and production reflect the technological and artistic achievements of the U.S. Mint, while its widespread circulation underscores its importance in the daily lives of Americans. The coin serves as a testament to the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln and the values he represents, as well as a reminder of the challenges and triumphs of the era in which it was produced. For those who study and collect Lincoln cents, the 1973 D issue offers a wealth of opportunities for exploration and discovery. Whether seeking high-grade examples, rare errors, or simply appreciating the coin's historical significance, collectors are drawn to the unique story that each penny tells. The 1973 D Lincoln cent, like all coins, is more than just a piece of currency, it is a piece of history, a work of art, and a symbol of the enduring spirit of the United States. The 1973 Lincoln cent bearing the D Mint mark is one of the most intriguing and rare coins in the history of American numismatics, a status it achieved primarily due to the unusual errors associated with its production. The rarity of this coin stems from the combination of its errors, limited surviving specimens in pristine condition, and the extraordinary demand among collectors. The Denver Mint, where the 1973 D Lincoln cent was produced, is renowned for its high standards of coin production. However, even with advanced minting techniques, errors can occur, and in 1973, these errors led to the creation of some of the rarest Lincoln cents ever minted. One of the most significant factors contributing to the rarity of this coin is the occurrence of a doubled die obverse. This striking error results from a misalignment during the hubbing process, where the design elements on the die are inadvertently duplicated. The doubling is particularly noticeable on inscriptions such as, "In God We Trust," and "Liberty," as well as on the date, 1973. These anomalies create a fascinating visual effect, making the coins highly sought after. Another factor that enhances the rarity of the 1973 D Lincoln cent is the occurrence of off-center strikes. These errors, caused by misfed planchets during the striking process, result in coins with incomplete designs. The degree of off-centering varies, with more dramatic errors being particularly valuable to collectors. Additionally, die cracks, which occur when the die used to strike the coins develops fissures, add another layer of uniqueness to certain specimens. These cracks can result in raised lines or patterns on the coin's surface, further distinguishing them from standard issues. Planchet flaws are another notable error that contributes to the coin's rarity. These flaws occur when the metal blanks used to produce the coins have imperfections such as voids, laminations, or impurities. Coins struck on flawed planchets often display irregularities in their surfaces, adding to their appeal among error coin collectors. The rarity of the 1973 Lincoln cent is further compounded by the sheer volume of coins produced in that year. With over 3.5 billion Lincoln cents minted at the Denver facility, the likelihood of identifying and preserving error coins was exceedingly low. Most of these coins were quickly circulated, and the majority of error specimens likely went unnoticed or were discarded. This makes high-grade error coins from this year exceptionally rare, as surviving examples are often heavily worn or damaged. Condition plays a crucial role in determining the value and rarity of the 1973 Lincoln cent coins. In uncirculated or near pristine condition are exceedingly scarce, as they were more likely to avoid the wear and tear of circulation. Error coins with clear and prominent anomalies in such conditions command significant premiums in the numismatic market. Collectors are particularly drawn to coins that exhibit sharp details, vibrant luster, and minimal blemishes, as these factors enhance the visual impact of the errors. The allure of the 1973 Lincoln cent is not limited to its errors and rarity. Its historical and artistic significance adds to its appeal. The coin represents an era of economic challenges in the United States, including debates about rising copper prices and the feasibility of continuing to produce the penny in its traditional composition. As a result, the 1973 cent is a tangible reminder of the complexities and nuances of coin production during this period. The rarity and value of the 1973 Lincoln cent reached a crescendo when a particularly remarkable specimen was discovered and brought to auction. This coin, featuring a prominent double-die obverse and preserved in near-perfect condition, drew widespread attention from the numismatic community. Its rarity, combined with its exceptional state of preservation and the clarity of its error, made it a once-in-a-lifetime find. The coin's provenance, including its discovery and subsequent certification by leading numismatic authorities, further enhanced its desirability. The auction for this extraordinary 1973 Lincoln cent was a historic event. Collectors and investors from around the world competed fiercely to acquire the coin, recognizing its unparalleled significance. As the bidding escalated, it became clear that this was no ordinary penny. The final hammer price, an astonishing $7 million, shattered previous records for the series and underscored the coin's place as one of the most valuable Lincoln cents ever sold. The sale of this coin is a testament to the enduring fascination with rare and error coins. It highlights the importance of careful examination and preservation, as even the smallest details can transform an ordinary coin into a numismatic treasure. For collectors, the 1973 Lincoln cent represents the ultimate prize, a symbol of the thrill of discovery and the allure of rarity. The story of the 1973 Lincoln cent is a remarkable chapter in the history of American coinage. Its rarity and high value are a result of the unique combination of minting errors, limited surviving specimens, and the passion of the numismatic community. From its origins at the Denver Mint to its record-breaking auction sale, this coin embodies the magic of collecting and the enduring appeal of one of America's most iconic coin series. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of rare coins. If this story amazed you, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore our other videos where we reveal more hidden treasures and stories from the fascinating world of collectible coins. Who knows, maybe there's $1 million find waiting for you in your own collection.